Imagine being able to sit down at a piano and just play ballads, pop, blues, jazz, ragtime, even amazing classical pieces. Now you can. And you can do it in months, not years, without wasting money, time and effort on traditional piano lessons. Pianoforall is one of the most popular online piano courses online and has helped over 250,000 students around the world achieve their dream of playing beautiful piano for over a decade. Now it's your turn to be the life and soul of the party. Pianoforall is specially designed to take complete beginners to an intermediate level faster than any other method. You start with popular rhythm-style piano. Think of artists like Lennon and McCartney, Elton John, Billy Joel, Barry Manilow, Lionel Richie, Coldplay, Norah Jones, and so on, which means you get to sound like a pro right from the start. You then expand step by step into ballad style, blues, jazz, ragtime, improvisation, and creating your own melodies. You will even learn how to read music as you learn how to play by ear, and eventually you will be able to play some amazing classical pieces. Everything in Pianoforall is right where you need it to be. As you go through each book, you can click on either audio or video and instantly hear or see what you are reading about. You don't have to search your computer for lots of files and have lots of windows open. You can view the books on your PC, Mac, tablet, or smartphone, or you can print the pages out to set on your piano stand. Thanks for watching. Ready to begin? Click the link below to begin now.